Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken pine tar for an enhanced grip. First, let's get your bat ready. Make sure the handle is clean and completely dry. This helps the pine tar stick better. You'll only need your Kraken pine tar stick and maybe a rag if you prefer. Find a comfortable spot, as applying this grip enhancer is a straightforward and quick process. Proper preparation ensures a consistent and effective application. Now, let's apply the pine tar. Simply rub the Kraken pine tar stick directly onto the tapered part of your bat's handle. You want to create a thin, even layer, concentrating on the area where your hands typically grip the bat. This allows for easy access to the grip enhancer. You can adjust the amount of pine tar to achieve your desired level of tackiness and feel, ensuring a personalized grip. To activate your enhanced grip, simply touch your hands or batting gloves to the sticky area on the bat before you step up to the plate. This transfers the pine tar for a secure hold. You can reapply small amounts as needed throughout your game or practice to maintain that optimal tackiness. After use, store your Kraken pine tar stick in its protective pop-top tube to keep it fresh and ready for next time. Using Kraken pine tar provides next-level grip enhancement, giving you better control of your bat and improving your performance. Its innovative formulation works effectively in a wide range of temperatures, from cool to hot, ensuring consistent tackiness. This genuine pine tar blend is designed for optimal feel and mythical performance. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as clean as your swing is powerful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.